Hello friends, welcome back to my today's video. We are going to be doing cleaning and rearranging the house. So guys, if you are new here, kindly consider subscribing, and to my returning subscribers, thank you and thank you so much. I do appreciate you guys. So guys, today I've just decided to do a voiceover because there is a construction that is going on around my area. So guys, that's why I'm not doing the voice as I'm working. So kindly bear with me on that. So guys, I wanted just to remind you to please subscribe, because I have realized all of us viewing this video right now are new here. Please subscribe. Let's grow. If you're really enjoying this video, subscribe. As you have seen, today I'm not changing the bed sheet because guys, I had already changed them like the previous day, so they are clean. Today I'm just spreading the bed and that's it. So guys, when I was still doing this, a friend of mine called and she told me she's not feeling well, so I ended up just spreading the bed, making the house clean, folding clothes, and I had to go and see her. Guys, look at my view from the bedroom window. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, it's beautiful. So guys, that's my view every single morning. So right now my kids have already gone to school and I'm all alone in the house doing motherly duties, and they have to come back and find a clean house. So guys, after organizing these clothes and putting each and every one of them in their respective place, I went ahead, cleaned some utensils in the kitchen, and then I had to make myself a quick fix breakfast, and that was it. So guys, I want to make fried eggs with onion, and then I will take that with the tea before I leave. The egg really turned out very well and it was tasting really good. Hope you try this some days with onion, fry onion, then add your eggs and then try it just the way I will do it. You'll really feel how it tastes. It tasted really well and I really loved it. Why have you not subscribed yet? Please subscribe. Your subscription is highly valued and subscription is free. Just support me. Please subscribe. If you have watched to this far, it means you are falling in love with these episodes of mine, these videos. So please support by subscribing and may God bless us all. So it is later in the day and I'm visiting a friend. She have not been feeling well and I'm going back home. I've decided just to take you guys along before I get to her house. Bariako. Before I get to her house. So hey, there are plenty of cows. See them? Plenty of cow. And guess what? They are being herded by one man. That one I've just said hi to back there. I'm scared of cows. Did you heard the story of the Kenyan senator whose servant was killed by a bull, as in a bull's horn? Did you heard of that story? So guys, I'm still on the walk. I'm almost there, and we will wind this video once I get home. So guys, and I've worn this sweater. It was raining earlier, so, and also because of the hat. Yes, this hat, it is covering my shaggy hair. Soon I'll be doing my hair. So guys, I've worn this sweater to cover my hair, and this is my trouser and these cute rubber shoes. I feel light when walking on them, very light. Yeah, so guys, let's continue walking. This area is called Kiganjo. Yeah, for those who are in Thika, this area is called Kiganjo. Many people lives here, and all tribes, all tribes. There's no specific tribe, all tribes. And I love how people live together, how people, I just love the initiative of Nyumba Kumi in this place. Yeah, so guys, let me go. I'll catch you guys later because I'm almost there, and I'm sure she don't like me vlogging. Will be vlogging in a house. How can you go vlogging somebody's house and she is not feeling well? She is sick. It's not good. It's not appropriate. So that's why I'm going to wind. So guys, let me continue walking. Guys, there is a plot here that have been written a verse, that is Zaburi 23:1-6. That is Psalm 23:1-6. Do you know what it says? Do you? Comment in the comment section, and please guys, please subscribe. We are in the road to 1,000 subscribers, but currently 400 subscribers. So let me show you the plot. You see? Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have enjoyed, please consider subscribing. Road to 400 subscribers, and I appreciate you if you are new here. Thank you, and bye. See you in my next one.